China has seen significantly fewer young couples prepared to start a family in recent years. The latest report found that Chinese millennials are delaying marriage by 4 years on average compared to a decade ago. On June 24th, Xinhua news agency reported that in 2020, the average age of Chinese people getting married for the first time climbed to 28.67 years. The data was extracted from the China Census Yearbook 2020. The average age in males was 29.38 and 27.95 in females. In some locations, the average age of individuals in first marriages surpassed 30 years old. In 2010, the median age of first marriages in China was 24.89. By gender, the average age of men was 25.75 and 24 years old for women. Furthermore, the number of people getting married declined for the 7th year until 2020. According to the China Statistical Yearbook 2021 data, first-time marriages in 2010 were as high as 22.009 million. But in 2020, the number headed for wedding bliss dropped to 12.886 million, a relative decrease of 10 million in a decade. What spurred the disinterest in tying the knot? Mr. Li from Hefei, capital of Anhui province, said people in their 30s are eschewing marriages because of rising house prices. Ms. Yao, also a Hefei citizen, told Xinhua news agency that before reaching 30, people would focus more on becoming financially independent before they could think of starting a family. Then, there is the pressure of affording a family with children. On May 12th last year, the outlet released an interview document on why families are reluctant to have a child. Those not from megacities such as Shanghai, Beijing, and Guangzhou are more heavily burdened by the cost of living. Chen Xiaoming, a 27-year-old from Hunan province, had a 2-year-old son. He had to spend roughly $750 monthly on daily meals, clothing, and morning education programs. A father said he had to spend at least a third of his monthly salary of $450 on his children. Director of the Research Office of the Institute of Public Administration and Human Resources of the Development Research Center of the State Council, said 4 factors discouraged marriages among young Chinese. That includes the improvement of education level, the rise in marriage costs, the increase of competition in employment and the workplace, and changes in the concept of marriage. His analysis was published in the China New Observation column by China News.